Hi, I'm Holly Holland, and I'm really excited to show you some of the exercises that are part of our deep stretch and weight training workout that's part of the bone system that I've developed. 2-pound weights are wonderful places to start. And what I really want to emphasize with all of this is that the more you resist with your own body, making a fist, you can more stimulate the muscles, and that's going to use the body to build better bone. So we're going to start out with some side-to-side squats, all right? And what I'm going to try to do is step out with the foot as I press in with the weights. Now, I want to try to go back with my hips, push down into my heels. I could also do a little bit of a challenge, pushing my arms forward, tightening my abs, create a little bit of a boxing move, and back. Drawing my abs up and in, and just try to feel that I'm really hinging from the hips. And I do that to the other side. Step out, really emphasizing the hinge of my hips, pushing back. Any amount of pressure we can put on those heel bones, the calcaneus, the cuboid bone, those are direct connections to our hips. Again, we can add a little bit of a power in both directions. And you would do about 8 to 10 of these. Trust me, it's quite challenging. Okay, now as we do squats, we want to really, again, I'm going to turn to the side so you can see that I don't want to do rounding. I don't want to push off on my knees. I really want to send that butt back. And I'm going to do a little bit here of working my triceps with that. Knees are bent, I hinge forward, butt back. I'm going to have a deep squat, and I'm going to squeeze my triceps back. So I get this beautiful tone and the resistance through the heels. I could come up and down. Keep my chest nice and open, really toning the abs, drawing everything in to a precise movement. Pressing back. Do about, again, 5 to 8 here. I'm just trying to show you a little bit of the potential here. I'm going to use a Pilates position here, heels together, toes apart. And let me show you how you can work your biceps here. I want to keep the arms at the height of the shoulder, and I'm squeezing that in. So fully lengthening and fully drawing that in, all while maintaining a really beautiful posture, lots of core muscles. And you'll start to see as you do a lot of these exercises that you can make 2 pounds feel like 20 if you really are precise about it. I love these exercises. They make you feel strong, and you're sort of surprised. I have an 87-year-old client, and sometimes she'll use water bottles, and just use this, and she has such beautiful tone and shoulder work. Yeah, I mean, you could do so many resistive exercises here. I know I said I would just do about 3, but it's hard to stop when you start to realize the potential we have with small tools, small props, to really do such good work for the bones and our cardiovascular system for that matter too. There's so many more exercises that are part of this sequence, but I just wanted to give you a few today to whet your appetite. Thanks for joining me.